Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate double declining depreciation using Microsoft Excel. Let's open up Excel. This is a method for determining the value of an asset after depreciation. So we're going to type in some information about our asset. First is going to be the purchase value, which is how much you spent to purchase that asset. The second is going to be the salvage value, which is the absolute minimum that asset could be sold for should something ever happen to it. Now the next value that we're going to calculate is the lifetime of that asset, or how long we expect for it to live. So I'm going to type in lifetime right here. Let's say we purchased an item for $10,000, and the very absolute minimum that item could be sold for, possibly at the end of its lifetime, would be, let's say, $300. And we expect this object to last for 3 years. So, what we're going to do here is determine the double declining value of that asset over its 3 years. Now, we're going to have year 1, year 2, and year 3. Basically, the way you determine the double declining value is you run a formula that takes the current value of the object in that year and multiplies that by 2, which is the double, divided by the total lifetime of the object. So, if we have a value of, let's say the first year, it's worth $10,000 because we just purchased it. So let's type in our first formula. We're going to type an equal sign to begin our formula. Let's say the current value of the object, which is $10,000, and we're going to multiply that, which is a little asterisk in Excel, 2 divided by the lifetime, which is 3 years, and just press enter. Now you get your answer here, and as you can see, this is the new value of the object. So if we do 10,000 minus that value, or rather I need to do an equals 10,000 minus that value, it's declined by almost a third, $3,333, which is kind of what we expected over a lifetime of 3 years. Now let's calculate the third year, which is the final year of its lifetime. Using that new value we calculated for the current value, times 2 divided by 3, which is the lifetime. This is the value of that object after 3 years. It's that easy to calculate double declining depreciation. My name is Dave Andrews, and I've just explained to you how to calculate double declining depreciation in Microsoft Excel.